Hey everyone, it's Jay with Iconic Classic Motors here in St. Charles, Missouri. And today we're here with the 1994 Chevy Corvette Coupe. It is powered by a 5.7 liter LT1 V8, 6-speed manual transmission. Shows 55,251 miles. It is finished off in the red paint on the exterior and black leather on the interior. Paint on it, I would say, is probably a 4.8 out of 5. Front passenger side does have some tar marks underneath it, but not a big deal. Here is the wheel on the rear passenger. This is the worst spots right there. I didn't really want to scrape on it too much because I didn't want to affect the paint. Glass rooftop. It does show some fading, I guess, or sun damage. There are no chips or cracks in the windshield. This car shows incredibly. It is a beautiful, beautiful Corvette. And it has the right transmission. This is the driver's side front wheel. Weather strip and molding all are intact or in good shape. Power antenna works. It does have, that could probably be buffed out. And then it's got a chip there, like a little door ding chip, whatever you want to call it. Power windows, power locks. Power seats, both sides. Factory radio. I'm gonna pop the hood here for you. Very nice LT1 5.7 liter. Flip up headlights. Power seats, and it does have trunk release. The passive key fob is not with this car, and the light is on the dash right there. Trunk, very clean. Cover is in really, really good shape as well. We'll go ahead and fire her up here for you. And then we'll throw it on. Oh, there is a little bit of a wear on the seat right there, and kind of shows a little bit there on like up by the shoulder, but other than that, it's in really good shape. These are really, really hard to get in and out of, so it makes sense that those wear right there. I'll show you that the windows and everything work on it, so let's do that. Shut this door. Okay. First side is driver's side, the mirror. Down, up, back in, and then window. It does have a tool for the top too. Now the mirror. All right, let's go ahead and start it up here. You can see she is cold. Power seats all work. Shut this and we'll turn on the headlights. Not sure if you can hear it kicking on or off right now, but flip up headlights and the fogs. This car has been through the shop. We've done an oil change to it, and it is state inspected in this area here. Man, it sounds good. Let's go ahead and take this thing for a ride. All right, let's take it for a ride here. You can see emergency brake is on. To get it off, you pull it up, grab the thing, bring it down, and it's off. I'm going to back out a little bit here. The headlights off, radio works, clutch feels nice and tight. It rained here yesterday, so this thing will get probably pretty nasty. It's still a little wet out. Second. Third. And fourth. Got good oil pressure. Temp is starting to come up here a little bit. have any questions about this car or any car in our inventory, please give us a call or text us at that number below. We are happy to answer any questions that you may have. We can ship nationwide. We move 150 cars a year nationwide, so we get a discount because of the sheer volume that we ship. So we pass that on to our customers also. So if you are looking to have the car shipped to you, fill out the form under the shipping tab, and we'll get you a quote, and it'll come right to your front door. Most of the time it's cheaper than flying in, but it's totally up to you. So thanks for watching, and we look forward to talking with you here soon. Thank you. Let's do the underneath of the 1994 Chevy Corvette C4 Coupe. It's wet under here because I just had it out driving it.